It's been a while since I've done a project, and it's like kind of getting back on the horse again, trying to learn how to ride. Hadn't been in my shop for a while, and mainly just because I was lazy. I was doing other things and didn't get around to doing any projects. So this first project, after being on absent for a while, I decided to do something to hold another small LED TV. I started off by first taking a wire mesh rack and going to modify it for my TV stand. I backed out of that approach and went back in and said, well, I'm going to make this freestanding. So I proceeded on with the freestanding. So you'll see as you go through the video that I kept changing my mind, that things didn't quite, everything, I think everyone's familiar with all the cutting and staining and banding and, you know, pocket hole drills and things of that nature. So I sort of got the camera set on high speed and just running through all that stuff, so you can just see the process, but not really. I don't think you're not going to learn anything out of it if you're used to doing DIY projects yourself. But it's just a matter of a collage showing the evolution of going from 3/4 inch red oak plywood panels to the final product. Here I'm just preparing the mounting for my TV tower, which is going to go in the back of the cabinet. So these are the cutouts I'm making. There's a total of 4 cutouts. Now I'm clamping using pocket hole drills the tower itself. I took this wire rack and ended up making a small portable tool caddy for my shop. I just got to the point where every time I looked around, I didn't have any workspace on my workbench. Now here I'm starting to apply my finish coats to all of my wood products and cabinets. I'm using a dye which is called Cinnamon and is manufactured by Journal Finishes. I really like their product. I've tried the typical ones you find in the big box stores in the yellow can, but they don't do as good as this dye or stain made by Journal Finishes. So if you haven't used it, check it out. I think you will be satisfied with it. First try, door doesn't fit, so gotta take it off and cut it down some and try it again. I might as well say, oops, now, here goes a mistake. Can you catch it? Now I realized I did it backwards. I gotta flip the back over again, get rid of all the staples. Now that looks better.